Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to build and review another piece of Lego, which is none other than another Lego City series, which is race car. It's Lego number 60322. As you can see here, we will get a nice car, and we can see on the back here, we have a wrench, a hammer, and a trophy. I cannot wait to build this piece of Lego. So I guess enough talking, and let's get into it. So what do we have here? It's the big parts. And then I assume this is the base of the car. And then the manual book as always, which definitely gonna help me. And oh, I guess no sticker this time. They came with pre-painted Legos, I see. Okay, I guess it's time to build our car. Let's do this. Alright, there you have it. The car is really cool. We get some accessories like the helmet, which is nice. And then we got some tools such as wrench and hammers, and a trophy as well. Though there's no stickers this time, they came all pre-painted on the Lego itself. Do you have any Lego in mind that you want me to review? Make sure to leave a comment below, and don't forget to like the videos, subscribe the channel so you won't miss a thing from us, and as always, see you on the next video.